So let the security agents, let churches protect them, their churches, as from Palm Sunday to June, because they will kidnap worshippers and the pastors, and this will be aggressively annoy America and may cause issues and matters.
Hello, this is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Private Ayodele to the jadio. Pẹ̀lú àwọn ìran tó lágbára lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Donald Trump àti ìlú Africa. Ó ní Donald Trump ń bọ̀ ní Africa o láti wá arrest another president. Exactly bó ṣe arrest the president Venezuela. Wọ́n ní kò ń ṣe ní Asian country o, pé ní Africa ni o, pé àwọn ò dẹ̀ tí lè sọ ìlú Africa tó jẹ́, but wọ́n ní Donald Trump ṣá lọ́rọ̀ kan ó ń bọ̀ nílùú Africa láti wá arrest another African president fún àṣemáṣe kan ìkejì àbí èyí ni. Then ó tún wá fi ohun kan lẹ̀ pé wọ́n ní gbogbo Kristẹni wọ́n ní ẹ lajú yín lẹ̀ o, wọ́n ní ẹ shine your eye o when it comes to this Palm Sunday tó fẹ́ ṣe yìí. Wọ́n láwọn bandit wọ́n fẹ́ ṣòro gan o nílùú Ondo àti láwọn ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kọ̀ọ̀kan pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣòro gidi gan. Wọ́n máa kidnap ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn, wọ́n dẹ̀ tún máa kidnap even àwọn pastors gan máa kidnap ọ pé kí àwọn pastors kan wà vigilant and anybody gbáradì torí ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn Fúlàní fẹ́ ṣe yìí wọn ló kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀. Then wọ́n tún jẹ́ àwọn iṣẹ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan lórí àwọn ìjọba àwọn ìlú Áfíríkà bòmíì. So wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ láyé lẹ́nu Private Ayodele.
Let me give advice to Senegalese president, the president and the prime minister. Don't cause political crisis for yourself. Have understanding. If you know that this cannot happen, separate amicably. But if two of you go on different platforms, the prime minister will win the president in the coming election. But don't create crisis. Don't cause crisis in Senegal. Senegal is not mature to handle crisis. I see crisis in Ethiopia. Very serious crisis. And they want to indict the president of Ethiopia. America will see arrest another president. Donald Trump is not there to end his trouble. I'm not talking about Cuba, another president. And he's coming to Africa to begin to disturb African president. So African president ready for Donald Trump. If you have done anything hidden, he's ready to remove you. Even arrest. Just the way you have arrested Venezuela president, he will arrest an African president. Who? I don't know. Let it be your own question. Your opinion is needed. You can guess who is. Nigerian satellite will shift. We shift. Nigerian satellite will shift. Bandit eviction. Ondo State, Edo State, Oyo, Ogun, Kano, Kaduna, Taraba, even Abuja. Yes, Sokoto, Kaduna. When I say bandit invasion, is the bandit want to take over some certain places, and church may not be able to be escaped, even church. And by the time they start attacking church again, America will be angry. So let the security agents, let churches protect them, their churches, as from Palm Sunday to June, because they will kidnap worshippers and the pastors, and this will be aggressively annoy America and may cause issues and matters. Well, this is an advice as God reveals to me. There are some youthful Nigerians that are doing well. They are performing well. They add value to economy. They may be for reason best known to the government of the day in Nigeria. They started pursuing those people because of political interest. Why can't we stop this? No, let's stop it. That's what the law says I should say. Oh, for example, there's one person called Abdullah Bashir Aske. He has been a mentor to so many youths, helping youth. I don't know him, but as revealed by God, helping youth doing well irrespective of your ethnicity, your gender, your tribes. This person has been a great person to this nation. Why are we troubling such wonderful big people who are stealing, people who are bad, they are there because of political interest. We have politicians who stole billions and government is still giving them appointment. It's not good. It's not. It will cause this world government to look like corrupt government. These people, if they are not doing Yahoo, they are not duping anybody. If it's political, let's take it easy. Anything this young man have done, Bashir Abdullahi Aske have done, I don't know him, but this is the message of the Lord. Why can't you look at it legally, address it legally? Oh, this is what you have done. Then let's look at it religiously, than to start acting funny. It won't help. These are the people that will add value to government, to our country. Yes, me, I don't know him, but this is what I have seen. Anything that happens, let's put it aside. Has he done anything that anybody has not done before, and yet they are enjoying the preferences of the government? Is it political reason for you to fight him? If it's political, you withdraw it now. If you have done anything wrong, take it from him. We want more youth. Don't make sure you encourage more youth that are doing well, that because maybe they are not in your party, you begin to get angry, be fighting them. Please, I want to use this medium to say, why not taking this period and appeal to the government of Nigeria? Anything this young man have done, pardon him. These are the people who had value to the name of our country, within and outside. Is Bashir Aske a criminal? Are we not seeing criminals in our politics, in our Senate, in our House of Reps? If you can pardon all of these people who have stolen billions, why not pardon this one too? Has he stolen any money? If you have stolen any money, let there be justification on this. Yes, let there be. That is my message. It's a word from the Lord. You can take it or throw it away. It's ministry. They want to attack you again. I've been warning. See how they are dying. April is not good for ministry. Watch. It's a warning. As from 15th of April to 38th of May, they want to ambush you. Chief of Army Staff, please take my word serious. Take it serious. Chief of Defense Staff, take